Basil, also called great basil, is a culinary herb of the family Lamiaceae. It is a tender plant and is used in cuisines worldwide. In Western cuisine, the generic term basil refers to the variety also known as sweet basil or Genovese basil. Basil is native to tropical regions from Central Africa to Southeast Asia. What is the herb basil good for? These anti-inflammatory properties can help to lower the risk of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and bowel issues. Basil has antibacterial properties. The oils in the herb may help to fight bacteria in people with respiratory, urinary, abdominal, and skin infections. Is basil good for kidneys? The holy basil, which is known for its various medicinal properties, is one of the best kidney stone treatment at home. Medical experts suggest that some of the compounds found in basil leaves can stabilize the uric acid levels in the body, which hinders the formation of stones. Can you eat basil raw? The leaves are also commonly used in cooking, though some people eat the leaves raw. Holy basil tastes spicy and bitter. There are many ways to incorporate holy basil into your daily life. You can cook with it, take it in supplement form, or make a tea with it. What are the most common uses for basil? The most common use of basil is for cooking, such as in tomato sauce, pesto, or vinegars. But it also can be sprinkled over salads and sliced tomatoes, either whole or chopped. Actually, don't chop the leaves, but tear them instead for the most flavor.